What's going on, everyone? In this video, we're going to be doing the weekly recap of the stocked up trading floor. The market had another pretty good week as it broke past its all-time high yet again. So that was really nice to see, and the S&P 500 is also above the crucial $600 resistance level, at least for now. But looking more at some of the price action from this week, it was a short week given the holiday, but it was positive and pretty consistent nonetheless, which is good to see. Looking at some of the I guess you could say action from this week, we did have some theta trades expire. All of them expired for max profit, which was great to see. I know I say this every week, and I know I've been saying this for a long time now, but if you don't already short put options, strongly look into it. Selling put options is one of the best strategies out there when done correctly. Essentially, when you do this correctly, you put yourself in a situation where you are getting paid to buy a stock that you'd otherwise be happy to own at a price that you'd otherwise be happy to own it at. Doing this over the long term is not only an advantageous position just due to the nature of the setup, but also due to the embedded edge that comes along with selling options that are theoretically a little bit more expensive than they should be. Either way, look into selling put options if you haven't already. If you need help, feel free to reach out to Tom Hunter or myself in Discord, and we will definitely help you out. But all 5 of the theta trades worked perfectly, so that was great to see. Shifting into some of the high-risk scalps action for the week, it wasn't as crazy of a week as the previous week, given the holiday craziness and a little bit of a slowdown, but there were some good opportunities offered nonetheless. On Friday, it was an early close, so we did have some good action, though, with stocks like LUNR, ACHR, IONQ, and others, as these moved up by anywhere from like 70% to 169%, which is certainly great, especially for an early close day. But just in general, the week was a little bit slower than the previous one. There were definitely more counter trend opportunities opened up. But as we look at like some of the price action from like, let's say, Wednesday's session, there was definitely more intense movement like from stocks like Disney, AVGO, and MU, as all 3 of those setups popped up by over 200%, which was great to see. And then, like I said, there was definitely a fair bit of counter trend opportunities as well. Either way, there was some good action with the scalping side of things this week, but just a little bit of a slowdown compared to the previous week, given the slower market, given the holiday. But as we look at the market right now, there's definitely a lot of exciting things on the schedule, as there are more earnings on the lineup from stocks like Chewy, Lulu, and others, which is nice to see, as well as a Powell speech for the week, and of course, just all of the craziness we have going on in the world in general. But besides that, thank you all so much for watching, and let's crush it in the market this week.